Yeah, Garfield Jones there sounding very different from Daniel McLeod. Now, 70 students from prep and primary schools were hosted by the Portmore Primary Schools Association at a basketball skills development clinic at the Edgewater Community Centre recently.
The schools are from in and around the Portmore area, Old Harbour and the Spanish Town.
Well, the session is a good initiative, seeing that we can break away from the normal or the sports that we are used to, football and netball, and actually get a non-traditional sport.
Well, it's the first that they have getting the experience of basketball. I started it in PE class, but today is really where they actually get the more hands-on experience.
Alongside the kids, the coaches accompanying them are looking forward to more basketball being played at this level.
A few years ago, we used to have the in-sport basketball competition for primary schools. Marley Mount was one of the featured teams that actually won the competition on a yearly basis. I think in 2014 thereabout, the competition actually stopped because of financial reasons. Yeah, and now it is good to see that the competition is back on board, and we might see some basketball in the future for primary schools kids.
They thought it was fun and they enjoyed. They said that it's something that they're interested in, and if I could have it done at school, so I would have to go back to school and start getting them training for it, because we have a competition coming up in June.
Alessandro Bailey is a grade 6 student from St. Catherine Primary.
Well, I got invited, wasn't planning on to join in, but father said I should. Take out a lot of energy, but we still like it. Feel good, you know, just do it for fun, just see if we can win the championship.
The Grassroots Basketball Skills Development Clinic was supported by the Southern Basketball Conference as well as the Sports Development Foundation, SDF, and the Institute of Sports in Sports.
As you know, basketball is a growing sport, and outside of the regular football, netball, we want the kids to at least have the opportunity to express themselves in different sports.
We taught them like to shoot, basic shooting. We teach them jigging, passing, and learn to how to play defense.
A rally will be held on June 5 for the kids to showcase what they learned. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.